Happy New Year, fellow Cardinals. As I begin my journey as the 5th president of Saginaw Valley State University, I look forward to working with each of you. Your commitment to this university shines from the moment people arrive on campus, from the beautiful grounds, the gorgeous facilities, and the welcoming faculty and staff. The devotion to the mission of excellence, commitment, diversity, and support is obvious, all for a quality educational experience for our students. We are the youngest of the 15 public universities in Michigan. Still, in our 59 years, SVSU's commitment to providing excellence in education has impacted the lives of the students we serve. We have alumni worldwide doing many great things that we can all be proud of because of your commitment to excellence. We are called a regional comprehensive university, but our national and international reach makes us an influencer in higher education, economic development, and community engagement. Our scholarly work is advancing knowledge and contributing to progress around the world. In Michigan, we are determined to do our best for the resurgence of our state. Our graduates provide talent and creativity coupled with an outstanding work ethic which combines to fuel innovation. They are our thought leaders and caring professionals. Our faculty and staff are also active in our community, helping to address the challenges and opportunities we face in Michigan. The future of SVSU is bright because of all of us. Your thoughts are important. Please share your ideas, and let's find answers to challenging questions as we continue our journey together. We will provide a link on the President's Office homepage to submit your ideas. I look forward to getting to know you and working together to fulfill our mission. Have a great year, and I look forward to seeing you around campus. Go Cardinals!